How to explore trending content on Pinterest. You can explore trending content on Pinterest by using the Pinterest Trends tool. So, what you need to do is basically, before we start, make sure to update the app to the latest version. Also, check your internet connection. So, the Pinterest Trend tool provides a data on top search over time and is ideal for content planning and in-depth research as well. So for that, you want to go to trends.pinterest.com. You want to exit out, type in trends.pinterest.com. This is going to take you to their official page. What you need is simply log in. So click on the get started button. After which you want to go ahead and select your reason as well. And once you've done this, you then need to go ahead and discover or scroll down to see the top trends in Pinterest. So basically, you want to go do is scroll down and then you'll be able to find the top trends. So you just want to discover the trends, and then you could also enter a keyword in a search bar to see its popularity over time on our graph. And the graph helps you see when a topic is most popular. So this way you'll be able to explore trending content on Pinterest. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.